In this story, we will learn the letters P, Q, R, S, and T. As Malik Monkey told Barry and Harry that they could stay at a nearby inn, they made their journey there. Finally, they arrived at the inn.
Hello there! Welcome to the Chocolate Cake Inn. My name's Polly Parrot.
Hello, my name is Mary and this is Harry.
Polly, what are those chocolate cakes on that table? They look very different from the other cakes.
These cakes have the shape of the letters of the alphabet. This is P. This is Q. This is R. This is S. And this is T.
P,
Q,
R,
S,
and T. All these cakes sure make me hungry.
Well, why don't the both of you have some of these cakes? They are delicious.
Thank you, Polly.
While Barry and Harry were enjoying the delicious chocolate cakes, Polly Parrot started to sing.
What are you singing, Polly?
Oh, it's a song that I sing when I'm happy. I call it the Happy Alphabet Song. Come, sing with me.
P we learn pear and pin, Q we sing queen and quills, R we read ring and rag. S we write sack and snake, T we say toy and train, learning with Barry and Harry. P, Q, R, S, T, together we sing.
What are those chocolate cakes, Polly? Are those letters too?
Yes, they are. They are the small letters. Here's the small letter P. P for pins. P for pear and P for paws. That chocolate cake has the shape of the small letter Q. That's for the queen.
Queen. Q for Queen, Barry.
And Q for quills, just like the ones that you have, Harry.
That tickles.
Harry felt so tickled that he accidentally pushed a cake off the table. Splat! Down the cake went.
Oops, I'm sorry, Polly. It was an accident.
It's all right, Harry. I'll clean it up with a rag.
Hey, rag. R for rag.
You're such a smart little bird, aren't you?
R is also for ring, Harry. Polly has a ring on her wing.
This is the small letter R. I see you carry a nice small sack with you, Barry. S for small and sack.
Snake. S for snake.
This is how the small letter S looks like.
How does the small letter T look like, Polly?
Oh, it looks like this.
Toys. T for toys. Oh, I miss my toy train and truck at home.
Ah, train. T for train.
Truck. T for truck.
They all laughed and they felt very happy. They finally settled down and went to bed. They slept at the chocolate cake inn for the rest of the night. Enrichment.
Hello, friends. It's nice to see all of you again. We have learned the letter P. This is how we write the small letter P.
Yes, P for pin, pear, and paws, just like Barry's paws.
We also learned the letter Q. Q for queen and quill. This is how we write the small letter Q.
My turn, Barry. R for red, rag, and...
R for ring, Harry. And this is how we write the small letter R.
Ah, S for small, sack, and snake.
Well done, Harry. This is how we write the small letter S. What else have you learned, Harry?
The letter T, Barry. T for toy, train, and truck.
And this is how we write the small letter T.